सन्तु भद्राः घृतं गृहाणा विश्वतः प्रवीणा यूयं पात स्वस्तिभिः सदः आग्ने भागिनकं सन्तमथा भागं चिकीर्षति अभागमग्ने तं कुरु मामग्ने भागिनं कुरु।
उद्घाटनं क्रियते।
आगच्छतु। अयमेव अत्र डिजिटल् क्याम्पस् डैरेक्टर् निदेशकः अत्र कुत्र अस्ति? कुत्र? अत्र
नोद्घाट्यते।
उद्घाटितं किञ्चित् कालानन्तरं सन्निकैव हरि नमस्कारः।
ओके सर, நீங்கள் அங்க பாருங்க
சார் பரிசரத்துக்குள்ள போமான்னு
கீழே இறங்கி பாருங்க சார். சார் போட்டோ பாருங்க, எல்லாரும் இங்க பாருங்க, கேமரா பாருங்க.
Institutions for the spread of Sanskrit in the entire country, not only in the entire country but also in the entire human world. If we want to say, this Sanskrit College is 137 years experience in the field of Sanskrit in spreading sastras to the ends of the globe. Now we are entering into digital world also. It's a great thing. Because of this, I wish that this age-old Sanskrit College will become a Sanskrit university of great excellence also. I wish for the same, and I am very happy for getting this privilege of inaugurating this digital studio and digital campus. Really a wonderful name is given for this. Digital campus is a wonderful campus through which we can reach the needs of the last person in the globe also. That's why thanking the management, thanking all the faculty members, thanking all the people who are the well-wishers of this college, I wish that this will grow into a great university, both digital university and also physical university. Thank you.
नाम बोलो सर।
उनका नाम
क्या नाम सर?
I am Professor Rani Sadashiva Shastri, Vice Chancellor of Sri Venkateswara Veda Vishwavidyalaya, Tirupati.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Avidya Moolanashinyai Vidyavayavamurtaye Sarvavidya Pradayinyi Mukambaye Namo Namaha. Adya Asmakam Madrapuri Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya Sangetika Vibhagasya Tatra Vidyamanasya Bhavanasya Navigarana Prakriyayah Anandaram Udghadana Karyakramaha api Idanim Sambannamasti Tatrapi Asmakam Bhagyavashad Eteva Mahodayaha Asmabhi Tatra Sampraptaha Ataha Idanim Tesham Atithivaryanam Evam Adhyakshanam Anumatya Karyakramasya Prarambhaha Idanim Kriyate. Now I request our trust member Shri Ramesh Mahalingam sir share some words about our donors of new studio of digital campus.
Namaskaram. Today marked the culmination of a lot of years of effort. Today we had great pleasure in inaugurating our recording studio. Now people may think people may think, why do we need a recording studio? When we first started the digital campus, we did one course which took us about 4 months to do, and it cost us about almost 10 lakhs. Today, with our own studio and our own people, we will be able to do the same thing in 1/10 of that cost. And this is the power. Also, we also learnt a few things along the way on how to improve things and do that. So when we started this program, we called my cousin, Sri Anand Madhavan, and asked him for advice. We told him we want to build a recording studio, but we had no idea how to do it. And he, along with his friend Mr. Ganeshan, came and gave us advice and how to do it. And they also introduced an expert, Mr. Tamil Selvan, Mr. Tamil Selvan, who has been very instrumental in building this recording studio for us today. Now, this recording studio, we have named it as Lakshmi Seshadri Recording Studio. Now, Lakshmi Seshadri is my older sister, and she is a gold medalist from Sanskrit, Madras University, and she also contributed towards building this whole library. So when we want to change this office into a recording studio, we didn't want her name to be forgotten. So we decided to name the studio also in her name, in her honor. Now, a lot of people have contributed towards this recording studio. Some of them have contributed financially, and some of them have contributed physically and through their efforts. And we'll just mention, so if I miss somebody out, please excuse me. The first contributor we had for this was Infosys Foundation, and Sri Ajit, who is the son of one of our trustees, A.R. Santanakrishnan, was very much involved in getting us this funding from Infosys Foundation. And many of the donors are not present today, so we actually wanted to honor them, but we'll mention their names. And Sri A. Krishnamurthy, chairman of Amalgamations, he has contributed generously towards building this. And when I talked to him, he said in his place, Sri Anand will receive the honors. So I present the shawl and the fruit basket to Anand on his behalf. Then State Bank of India has generously contributed towards some of the equipments that we had to buy for the studio. And State Bank of India, their representative also did not come today. And Indian Bank has also agreed to contribute generously for this. Unfortunately, we have not yet received their check, but they have promised it will be on the way in a few days. And now some other people who have contributed with their efforts. First, I want to mention Sri Venkatachalam, whose wife is present today. She has left today. Venkatachalam worked with me every step of the way in terms of trying to generate funds for this recording studio. So his efforts, we greatly appreciate his help in this endeavor. Then I want to honor Sri Tamil Selvan, who's the technical expert who's made this thing possible. And I want to call to the stage one more person, Janani. She has lived this whole studio every day for the last 2.5 months. And she's looked at every single dot, every single piece of dirt. She has made sure that it is running perfectly. So, Janani, Sita. I request Sita Madam to come and present. So we thank each and every one of these people whose efforts have made this recording studio possible. Thank you very much.